Hey, what's happening to my rideshare road warriors? What's going on? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. And in this video, I wanted to share some things with you guys. If you've been paying attention, a lot of the rideshare YouTubers are kind of shifting gears or redirecting their energies on their channel, and I am no different. And as you guys have noticed, it's been a long time since I put out a video, and I'm going to share with you guys something I've been struggling with, and with creating videos for rideshare. And big shouts out to the people that I do follow and that I do watch their videos. But this video was sparked primarily by a conversation I was having with one of my buddies this morning. Big shouts out to the Dark Knight. And he and I were talking about, the future of this rideshare YouTube channel. And, it's funny because I was like, man, we do so many other different things, and I don't know how long I'm going to do rideshare. But I like making videos. I like sharing information. I love personal development, things I'm into, like, I'm doing actually personal development now. Speaking of which, Insane Productivity by Darren Hardy. I'm going through that course to be better. I'm really big on personal development because, I believe we can get better. I'm definitely not at my full potential. And so later on, and I think I probably watched maybe like 30 or 40 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. I'll say 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes of Marvin, the Bearded Uber guy's video. He just rebranded his channel to The Early Life. Shouts out to you for doing that. And if you follow Kimberly CEO, she's rebranded her content because she does more than just rideshare. We do more than just rideshare, y'all. We're not monomaniacs, and that was the challenge that I've been having with doing videos. Am I still doing rideshare? Absolutely. I'm to the point where I'm just running out of tips. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you haven't gotten the tips by now from all the videos that are out here, I'm not saying that you can't get more tips, because there are nuggets scattered through all of our videos. It's not hard to glean the knowledge that you need to be successful out here. The question is, will you do it? And that's where, for me, like, personal development comes in. So I'm at a period where I'm definitely going to continue making videos, but I don't want to start a whole new channel. I don't want to do that. Yeah, I could, but I don't really want to do that. I don't know if I want to keep the name Rideshare Driving Tips, because, I want to teach about other things. I want to teach personal development. I want to teach some real estate stuff. I'm in the process of becoming a limo driver, because that's the next progression for me. I'm ready to be around a different caliber of rider, of customer. I'll put it like that. And so, I've often told you guys, if you've been following my videos from any period of time, that rideshare is not scalable. There's no way I can hire somebody else and maybe have another car, hire them to drive the car for me, and still get paid. It's not scalable. So I'm looking for things that are scalable, because, my ultimate goal is freedom, the 3 F's: financial freedom, time freedom, freedom of location. That's what I'm after. I can only get a certain degree of freedom with rideshare. I have to be here in order to generate the income. And that's one of my issues with it. Now, is it good money? Yes. Can you make some money with it? Yes. I mean, I've had since my last video, I know the SEC championship was here in Atlanta, and I'm sorry I didn't show the screenshot with you guys, but I made $174 on one ride that took maybe 30 minutes. The very next day, when the Atlanta Falcons played, I guess they played the Panthers, they played somebody, I made $130 something on one ride that took 30 minutes. Is there money out here? Yes. Do people still need rides? Yes. They're going to continue to do that. But there has to be a progression for what you're doing in rideshare, and you got to know why you're driving rideshare. What is your end goal? What do you want? Why are you doing it? You know, and I know that for me, it was a stepping stone to really launch another business. And since I've definitely learned that I have this serious monkey brain. This is what the insane productivity is definitely helping me with, helping me control this monkey brain and getting that thing under control. Other books, tapes, series, whatever, audible, all of that stuff, all of that me driving and just plugging this information in my mind, just being immersed in this information has helped me discover, you know, the things, you know, my mental and emotional roadblocks. It came through rideshare. Yeah, I'm grateful, but it's time to graduate from that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to rebrand the channel to. I'm definitely thinking about doing it. You guys tell me, you know, would you still continue to watch the channel if it's rebranded? Are you only here for rideshare nuggets? You know, and that's okay if you are. But like I said, it's transition time. You know, I'm moving into a different direction. You know, I'm not mad at the former CEO and co-founder of Uber for cashing out his chips and leaving and walking away with $2.5 billion approximately. That's what it's been told. After 10 years, I'm not mad at him for doing that. I'm not. I get it. I understand. It's business, not personal. So this is where we are. You know, I like to hear your thoughts. I have some comments I need to go back and to, you know, respond to. But like I said, that's been my struggle with this. So if you guys, you know, I like making videos. I like giving out information. I do have another channel. I have another channel called Carlton Lewis. If you search for it, it's on YouTube. But I don't feel like I need to make a whole nother channel just to share this type of information with you guys. Yeah, rideshare is cool, but you know, life is bigger than rideshare. And you know, I'm all about helping people get to that next level, seriously. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, rolling with me, my rideshare road warriors out there. But it's time to grow up. It's time to go up, I should say. It's time to grow up and go up. So let's see. This video's been about 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up because I'm still out here driving. The time now is 10 o'clock, Friday, January 3rd. Happy New Year to you guys out here. And you know, I want to hear some things from you guys. So I'll start back doing videos because I understand the power of them, number one, and I understand what it does for me, you know, as far as the transformational aspect, and it sharpens my sword for doing other things. That's it, man. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. I'd like to hear your thoughts, you know. Where are you moving to from rideshare? Like, what are you doing in addition to doing rideshare? Like, what's your ultimate? Where do you see yourself at, you know, not just by the end of 2020, what's your ultimate goal for doing this? What's your ultimate goal for doing this? And how close are you to that goal? Have you put it on paper? You know, what's holding you back? Think about all of this because it's important. All right. So once again, Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct in 2020, my first video of 2020. And I hope you guys got some value on this video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.